Hey yo, what's up guys? Another day, another 3D print video. So here's what we're gonna do today. It's a fidget knife and a comb. Alright. Here is the time-lapse video. I'm using the Bambolab A1 Mini and a Esan filament black and gold. And here it is after I think each color it took 1 hour print because the layer height is 0.16 millimeters. Now it only consists of 3 parts, but we're going to swap colors for the main blade and the comb. Now the assembly is, as you can see, the hook should set on both ends of the handle like this. So when we attach the spring, it will push it and retract. First, you have to put the spring on the slot and press it. And that's it. Once the spring and the knife is loaded together, the force will make the knife retract and extend like that. It's very straight and easy assembly. And now, any issues I've encountered with this one is when the knife is loaded, it extends normally, I mean no problem. However, when we try to retract the knife, the spring force is not enough. Now let's try the comb, retractable comb, dual action. Just like the blade should, I mean the hook part should be aligned in both ends, and just snap the spring cover in place like that. Be sure to align it with the holes, and you can move. If you're having a difficulty, you can move the blade and then push it. Now there's something stucking, but assembly wise it doesn't have a problem. However, as you can see, the comb can retract easily, but there's it doesn't retract fully because it's, I think the combs are somewhat hitting the wall, so it doesn't fully retract back, but it extends normally. All I can say is this is a good model. Maybe we can adjust, you can adjust the design to make other styles for the blade and the comb. I saw some posts online, they make some retractable ruler like that. I'll post the link in the description below. I hope you like it. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more videos. And here's some clips remaining. But overall, nope. All good model. That's all. A peace.